Welcome. If you want to enter pairing mode in your Huawei Soundjoy, take a look. I'm gonna enable Bluetooth on my smartphone and this speaker note appears on the list. So what you have to do? For sure you have to turn it on by using the power key, it's right here, so you have to click on it once. Before the pairing you have to remember to charge your speaker at least to the 50%, and in the most cases the Bluetooth icon start blinking when you turn on your device. So take a look. It's not blinking, so probably it's not in the pairing mode, right? Let's try to refresh the list and take a look. Okay, the speaker shows on the list. That's interesting. But if you have the problem and it's not right here, you have to click on this Bluetooth icon for a few seconds. Right now you can release. When it's not working, you have to click it once, like very hard. And as you can see right now, the speaker Bluetooth icon is blinking and it means that we are in pairing mode. So right now I can tap on the speaker, accept the pairing request, and as you can see right now I'm successfully connected. So yeah, that's how we can make it. Simply turn on your device, and if it is not working for the first time, if it is not for the first time in the pairing mode, you have to click this Bluetooth button like very hard. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.